start by drinking water. Wow. Before I continue, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like the video, share the video. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell notification so that once I upload videos, you can be notified. Thank you very much. Watch to the end. There I have for you a special video made. This video is all about how I make my videos, the materials I use, the tools, the equipment, from the beginning, from step 1 to the end, the phone, the tripod, the tabletop tripod, the light, the artist table and the stool, the materials and tools, the phone recording speaker. This is Infinix Alt10 Play. This is the phone I use to make my videos. All videos you see on my YouTube channel, this is the phone I use in making all those videos. You can see at the back, this is Infinix. So here is the phone, my Infinix Alt10 Play that I use in making my video. It has 4 gig RAM, 64 gig ROM, and 6000 milliamp battery. Okay, this is my tripod. As you can see, this is actually adjustable. So first thing I do is to fix the phone. I hold this up. So okay, this is it. So the phone is on. Now here, this side, I can actually adjust it. If I want it to come down a bit, I can use this so that I can tighten this place. As you can see, if I don't tighten it, it goes down. So if this is the way I want it to be, all I need to do is just tighten it from here. It is perfect. So another thing is that it is adjustable. Look at it. I can adjust it from here. So I can leave it this way depending on the work I'm doing at that moment. And apart from that, I can make it taller. So there we go. So this is it. If it's still not okay, then I can push this place up, I can roll it up, and it keeps going up. That is it. So with this is the tripod I use in holding my phone while I record my video. Okay, so you can also rotate the tripod while you record. This is how it looks. As you can see, the tripod is holding the phone tight, the camera is on. So this is how it stays, and I'll just get busy recording my video, making the artwork, and that's it. As you can see, the tripod is right on the table, holding the phone tight, and that's it. At this time, I set the camera on the tripod while I go in front of it and get busy. This is my tabletop tripod. This is where I place my phone. This helps to hold my phone in place while I make the video. So this is it. Place my phone this way while I record or while I make the video. This part of the tripod actually helps to hold the phone and the camera. Oh, this is how to the phone and the tripod. As you can see, look at the materials right on the table. And wow! So there is it. This is just the exact way it will look when I set the camera, and then I begin to make the artwork. I have all the materials and tools right around me on the table, so I can easily reach them during the process of making the video. I can easily get them from here, and use this brush. You can see, so everyone I need, they are just within the same place, easy to access. Okay, so for this part of the tripod, it actually depends on how big the work I'm making at that moment is. That will determine either I put the phone here or the other part of the tripod that holds the phone, which I showed you earlier. So it's either this or the top. So this is it. So see, this is a phone pouch that I bought for the purpose of this. I actually pasted it there permanently. So from this I can on the camera and you can see. So once I on the camera, I would then continue to work. So that's it. Then when I'm done, I can remove it. Okay. So this other part, this other tripod is a previous phone. I actually had two phones before, so the second phone I was using, the phone is no longer useful, so this one is just there, but this is the one that functions. So this is the rechargeable bulb I use. This bulb, like I said earlier, they are rechargeable, so once it's night and there's no light, I can easily on them and then make my hat. So this is a switch. As you can see, this is one switch per light. I have four of them, so one switch controls each of them. Okay, so these are the lights, the rechargeable bulb I used to make the video. As you can see, this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is how my studio looks at night, with or without power supply. So this is my work table. This is the table on which I make my artwork. And as you can see, right here is the stool. This table, as at the time I made it, the total cost was 62,000 naira. This tool, as at that time, as at 2022, cost 2,000 naira. So looking at the table, it has several drawers, as you can see, where I keep my art materials and tools. First drawer here, pliers, mallets, nails, and several other tools. This is another drawer. This is where other materials. Let's see, that's it. And then here are cards. Some of the cards are actually on the table. These are embossed cards and sugar paper. Here I have the long drawer, which is times 2 of the first two. So, okay, this part of the table is where I keep the waste product for recycling. There's a way we recycle used materials or products to make artworks. So this is the part where I keep that you can see all manners of used products, the paper, drugs, cream, soap, and several others. So this is another part of the table. Here I keep paints. Oh, okay. Here we have a first aid gun, coupled with some other paint, foam, snack. So here we go. And right here, look at it very well. This is another part of the table, the lower space, where at least here I can likewise keep some other stuffs. It's actually two. There's another one right here, as you can see. So the table has enough space to keep or to store a lot of things, that materials, tools, anything whatsoever that will be useful for the purpose of making art videos or artworks. So having done that, take it off. Look at the table. It's of advantages. The final thing you would need to do is to edit. You can't just upload the videos. The video, the way you film it, you just have to edit. And for you to have a good editing experience, I would recommend KineMaster. Yes, KineMaster. This is what I use to edit. With this, let's go straight to create. Tap on it, and then after done that, you can then you see the various videos you can pick from. So just go straight to camera. It's depending on where the video is in your phone. So just select two, because just to show you how to do the editing. So this is it. So you can then begin to do the necessary things as regards editing the video. There is need for you to speed it up. This is it at 4. So apart from that, you may need to cut some parts. Probably somehow is maybe you don't just want that part to be there, you can easily cut it. So cut on the right, you can see there's no longer there. So it's actually a long Okay, so my phone recording speaker just stop by fixing the battery. I sure the battery is well fixed, and I only use this for voice over. So during the process of editing, there is need for me to do voice over. All I will do is to connect it. So press the record. Once I press, the next thing is to press start, and then you can start, So at this point you need to pin the speaker to your shirt or cloth and then make the voiceover or the recording. 생각했는데 추억이 잠시 널 떠올린 거야. Still believe I can control. Okay, so at this point let's test it and see. Can start. So wherever you say at this time, the record will be recorded and it's just a voiceover. Thank you very much for watching the video. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, turn on the bell for notification so that when videos are uploaded so that you can be notified.